ufanele uyazi lento ukuthi umuntu osemqoka kakhulu kuwena is yourself. Then ke sebengeza amadodakazi omama nobani bonke sebengeza, but the most important person to yourself should be yourself. Ufanele uziprotect ukuthi ungahlali ukwi-negative mode, hlala ukwi-positive mode. Ukuthi when you look at life negatively, you will say this jug is half empty. Ushuthi ubuka negative. Kodwa uma ubuka positive, uzothi this jug is half full. Now sibuka environment eyodwa, sikwi situation eyodwa, kodwa i-approach is different. Abantu abaningi ke babulawa yikho ukuthi abanazo izinto noma batshelwa izinto ezicorrect abazenzayo, ebese bezithola bablamewa kakhulu in most cases, ebese beze be-accepta ukuba nobody. Ngesikhathi usu-accepte ukuba unobody, then you believe ukuthi ayikho into wena ongayenza.
Isizathu sokuqala i-podcast ngoba iseyintsha nje ukuzama ukushintsha ingqondo zabantu ukuthi becabange positively. Akuze ukulimaza yini ukuthi uma siyenza lento and try ukushintsha ingqondo yomuntu bese yena ebona ukuthi ay labantu ngoba sebekhuluma kanje awuthi ngithi ukuphela kubo asizukuyithola yini thina by trying to change people's mind to ukuthi we chase them away. Asizukuba in leyo situation.
Khona into eshilo elinyana ukuthi when you decided ukuthi niqala iclub, it was not about going to OPSL and so on. If it comes, it will be a bonus. Kinina, you wanted to build man, and nanoguti out of the 20, if you could build 5, you will have achieved something. Nayo ke lento yama podcast. Money ends, the intention is good. The intention is to build the nation. The intention yokwenza abantu bacabange ngabo, bazi ukuthi ibona who must play a role in their lives. Ibona kufanele basishintshe eqala before bashintshe i-society, before bashintshe abanye abantu. So in the process, definitely khona abazoyibuka abayothi this is half empty and then they will run away. But those who look at it as half full, bazobona ukuthi yazi this program is a program adding a support. Some people will come in bezoyi support ukuthi hey yazi this is good. Ingilaphile leyanto. I was not aware of this, but now I can see ukuthi yazi bengicabanga ukuthi but sengiyabona ukuthi I need to do this and that ukuze ngikwazi ukuresolve the issues that I have, because in life sinama issues amaningi and we are not all fortunate ukuthi sifunde phansi. I'm a victim. I don't like reading too much. I scan. Read nje. I just scan. Ngithole ngufunayo, ngithole ngilokhuzayo. But now ubhala into eningi angikwazi lokho. But I listen. And le program ye-podcast podcast inale element yokulalela kakhulu ukuthi people who will get interested, they will gain one or two things out of the whole lokhuzana. And that will mhlambe ma enye sengiyafisa nokuyoza ukuthi T1 lapha mhlambe khona I can benefit something, or my friend onenkinga ethize sengamtshela hayibo awulokhuze into ethize engagcina ilokhuzana yakhe ilaleleka. You that's why naseklasini elasiqala ngithe wawugangile but wawuhlakaniphile wawuphasa, which is good. That indicate khona babe fail in your class, and so on. Now akuthi ke ngoba ba fail it was the end of life ngabo. Some wothola ukuthi babe faila benjalo uphasa wena, high school life yakho you did it in record time. Khona abayenza more than that, but khona mhlamba ba successful kakhulu kunawe babe ngaphasi. Yeah, but they happened ukuthi babone ukuthi nansi route engamenza shesha kwazi ukulokhuzana, bathatha lawo ma routes ba right in life. Those things do happen. Say with Christianity says one soul saved is one soul too many. Asikhali ngokuthi hayi bekufanele kusaveke istadium sonke noma ibandla lokuma khona oyedwa nje osavekile, that is victory.
We point of low self-esteem. It's something that is very common. Self-esteem is very low, especially in nowadays. Ubezwa ngisho kuma comments abo bahlezi bekhuluma ngezinto ezinegative. Mina ngombhali ngithanda ukubhala izitori, so ngumuntu othanda ukuthi efike edlalele nabantu nje sixoxele khona ukuzothola izitori ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Yes.
You come across abantu ukuthi i-self-esteem yabo ugcina uma ukhuluma izinto kube sengathi awungeke kona uyaphupha lento eyikhulumayo ngeke zenzeke, lento ubonto okay, self-esteem is very low.
Yeah.
Sishintsha kanjani lento emphakathini wethu ukuthi abantu at least bethu improve ngani self-esteem yabo ngoba iyalimaza, isi-common kakhulu.
Into ye self-esteem Mbovu, it's a very very destructive thing. You correct, igcwele kuma families, igcwele kuma societies, and that's why ama societies wethu enza such unbelievably wrong things. It's not that they were born benji, but it's because of self-esteem yabo low ngendlela esimangaliso. Ngifisa ukusho into yokuqala nje, very simple thing. I'll come in details into the question. Ngifuna ukusho into very simple thing. Kade ngihambe nonkosikazi njengoba ngishilo siqhamuke eThekwini. We went to function last night, beautiful function class, sibahle bakamasudu sinjeyana. Then in the morning sayifakela amajini neyikipa nje zalokhuzana sabuya because I had to honor this lokhuzana appointment. Mase ngifike ekhaya, unkosikazi was aware of this appointment ngimshenile. Ngase ngishintsha. Sengigqoka. What how wasushintsha futhi manje lokhuzana. Ngithi mina no, I must respect occasion engiyona. Podcast engiyona angikwazi ukufika nomuntu ozothi ma elalela into engiyikhulumayo ayibonele nje. ukuthi ngikhuluma ayikho lento ekhulunywa umuntu. Now i-outward appearance yakho to start with goes a long way towards boosting your esteem. There are things ozenza just because you think nobody cares about you. And uyabona ma ngingaqoka noma yini ngisesele olukuzana ngizokwenza noma yini emphakathini ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi vele everybody umthatha nje ukuthi nginoma yini. Yes. Now I must first make that thing ezokwenza abantu babe ukuthi ubani lo. So my outward appearance iyodwa nje kufanele ithembise. Ngiyayibhedela ke mase ngiyibhedela awukodwa but izoba naleyo nto. There are things we are going to benefit out of your outward appearance. That respect obungeke ngoba ukuhlonishwa kwenza influence indlela yethu yokubehave. Omunye ke engathi ukubehave ku-influencer indlela abantu abakuhlonipha ngayo. It's also equally true, but uma uqhamuka i-outward appearance yakho njengoba usho nje ngangifundisa ukuthi uza kanjani ungafakile amasokisi uthayi ngifuna ukubona ulokhuzana. I was building that self-esteem kini ukuthi your self-esteem should be high. You should trust yourself. You should have confidence in yourself. It's another matter ukuthi uhlakaniphile uistoniana noma uyafeyila noma unjani, but mawuqhamuka nje in your full uniform ngishathi iyodwa mayi-ayiniwe iclean wafaka kahle lokhu kodwa mawuzoqhamuka necathulo ayipolishiwe kwamasokisi awafakile namasokisi ngizokushaya ngokushayela ukuthi ngifuna uzethembe ngoba unjena i-behavior yakhe izofana nalezi cathulo. Yes, and so on. Now abantu abaningi ke babulawa yikho ukuthi abanazo izinto noma batshelwa izinto ezicorrect abazenzayo ebese bezithola bablamewa kakhulu in most cases ebese beze be-accepta ukuba nobody. Ngesikhathi usu-accepte ukuba unobody then you believe ukuthi ayikho into wena ongayenza. Aba-accepta masibuyela kuleya concept okwayibuzwa ye-life engekho lokhuzana fair. Ugcina u-accepta ukuthi hayi vele mina impilo yangidalelwa nje mina ayikho fair vele kimi yangidalela ukuthi ngibe njena so angibe njena. People abadla ama-drugs, people abadla ohunga, those are brilliant people, but now bavele bangalithola ithuba lokutshelwa ukuthi yazi in you there is a leader, in you there is something good ongayenza. You are doing stories and so on. You can be surprised ukuthi one of the guys laba badla nama-drugs, you can make them best actors.
Yes.
And ngesikhathi beba ama-actors sebenabantu abababukayo ababalokhuzayo iyashintsha i-life. Umuntu udinga ukunconywa, umuntu udinga uku-exposewa the good side ayenzayo, and that elevate i-esteem yakhe iyise phezulu. Kune-program njengamanje ngisebenza lapha kumasipala waseMdubo. Kune-program eyenziwa enye unit yethu yakwa-OSS. I-program yokuzama uqeda labantu ababizwa kuthiwa amaphara. Ababahlaseli in big groups, babatargeta nje individual. Bababize bazama ukuthola kuphi ekhaya, yini yakususa ekhaya, and so on and so on. Kodwa uyabona ukuthi unga-right uma ungenza ukuthi bahambe babagezela, babagunda abanye kahle, babalokhuza bane-partnership nezinye iy'tolo, babanikeze iy'ngubo, babalokhuzana umuntu ayibone semuhle. Uyayibona ukuthi benokuyithemba manje. Abuke ukuthi uyazi we can assist you uma ungaflekelela senze umsebenzi othize, athole piece job inyana yokulokhuza ukumenza ukuthi aphile, and quite a number has been helped. Obviously khona abantu babonke hayi le nto babuyele emuva babaleke nsona, but lo yedwa laba babili abatholakele, we have helped that person. So nayo ke lento yama self esteem, ipower yokuncoma the good, irrespective yokuthi inhle kangakanani, inkulu kangakanani, ipower yokubuilda i-confidence kumuntu ukuthi hey uyazi akekho ongenza lento ngaphandle kwakahle, ngaphandle kwakho la elokhuzeni. Uyambona umuntu eba nesmile, leso smile is saying a lot. It's saying a lot. It's saying the inner satisfaction. Unalokhu ukuthi hawu kanti khona umuntu obonayo ukuthi khona into enhle engiyenza. That is the power yokunyusa i-esteem yomuntu. And umuntu on a self-esteem correct nephezulu will always behave correctly. Kodwa umuntu on a low self-esteem, it's dangerous. It's dangerous ngoba low muntu uba in most cases reach level ukuthi kuyafana noma ngenzani.
Does it lead to abusive relationship?
Exactly. Kakhulu ngendlela eyisimangaliso ngoba those people, you see, they lose what we call self-value. When you lose a self-value, then you fear nothing. You don't fear the law, you don't fear the community, you don't fear anybody. Wazi ukuthi nje umuntu bayibheda afuna ukumshaya, noma ungamshaya vele noma ungaboshwa, it doesn't matter. Vele when you are useless. Yabona mokwafika kule level ukuthi vele when we are useless, akho umuntu appreciateayo, uzoba abusive, because there are things mbomvu engithi ngisho ngicasuke kanjani, kodwa ngiba nokuthi angifisa abantu bayibone lezi zinto, and ngokungazenzi lezo zinto ngoba ngisaba abantu abathize I get saved, ngicine ngazenzanga. Kodwa uma bengena self esteem, bengenakho ukuthi hey ma usibani bani ngenza ukuthi ngenza ukuthi, I will do everything, anything bad, anginandaba namuntu. Kodwa ma unabantu osabayo ukubaphoxa in life just because bakwazela something good, bayebekuncome mawenza into enhle, bathi bengekho lapho they influence your behavior ukuthi yey usibani bani mangekeza ukuthi ngenza ukuthi engaluza yonke confidence kimi. Now you protect leyo relationship naleyo confidence nalezo status was protector abantu, and in the process your esteem goes high.
Uku-add kuleli point lokugcina nje khabazela mina may his soul rest in peace umalume John. Into engangenza mina ngabe nami mhlawumbe ngangibhema esikoleni, mhlawumbe ngabe ngangiphuza, kodwa ngokuthi nje khona umalume John,
yes,
wayengikhonze kakhulu ngisho kuthiwa kuyahanjwa nami, engithengele drink. So uma kukhona into ngithi mase kuthiwa umalume John ngithola ukuthi ngiyabhema,
exactly,
ngathini nje kuyena. So naye uku-add nje lapho ukuthi bakhona abantu abagcina uprotecteke ey'ntweni ey'ningi. Ngangize ngisho mina sasike sixoxe nomuntu ukuthi ukuthi isikole sasigcina grade 20 sasosiqeda thina isikole, sasingeke sibe nayo inkinga yokuqeda isikole. But again, do we ask ourselves enough whys ukuthi why do we do what we do singabantu, noma siyenza nje sesi-reckless ngaleyo ndlela, asinawo lo touch wokuyibuza ukuthi why do we do what we do?
Well, umuntu uNkulunkulu wathi mayimdala, firstly wamdala wathi akabe umfanekiso wakhe. Two, wathi mayimdala wathi akamfuze. So along the way, I'm not going to go to history ukuthi umuntu waphetha and so on, but along the way into umuntu nje yabheda. But kubheda ebhede njalo umuntu, there is this thing in each and every person eyasala kumuntu from Nembeza. Unembeza is that soldier within each and every person I would know this is wrong, this is right, this is wrong, this is right. Kuye ngokuthi at a time, especially into esiqhamuka kuyo yama self esteem, kube iyona ke owethi yiphe dominator. Mark dominate a low self-esteem, then you don't listen to your Nembeza. Mark dominate a high esteem, definitely you listen to Nembeza. But everybody does have that. Now, the fact ukuthi uzibuze ukuthi why am I doing this? Is this acceptable to the family to start with? Engiphila nayo izothi mayizwala ukuthi ngenza into ethize i-happy noma ayikho happy. Ama friends ami engiphila nawo, will they accept this as a normal behavior noma ngeke? I-society engiphila kuyo, is it going to accept this, whether is it correct or wrong? All those things ziyenzeka dependent kulento yama self-esteem ukuthi ikuphi. If you can ask yourself those things, 8 out of 10 ziyokwenza a better person, because zenza ukuthi even before you do something uyacabanga qala, you internalize this thing. Lento lezongifikisa phi, izoba right, izoba wrong, izomphatha kanjani usibani bani, izongilokhuza kanjani. Ngithi in life, you'll pardon me ukuthi I'll use this example, but it does help me. Mhlawumbe omunye ngeke imsebenzele, omunye uthi awu le ndoda ngiyithembile isikhuluma into ebheda kanjena. There's one place I use mostly in life, and leyo ndawo yindawo la engisuke ngiyozikhulula khona. Ma kwigama elibi ucisha, but in a toilet to be specific.
Yeah.
I spend time.
Kusho kanjani ukuthi uzoyisolisa wena?
Yeah, exactly. Almost every day. Sengaze sine concept nomkami ma ngiyendaweni yokuzikhulula ngiyayithi ngisayofunda. Because I take my phones, times I look at WhatsApp abakhona, ngibuka aba positive naba negative. Mase ngiqedile mhlambe I start now revising usuku, looking at the decisions engiwathathile. Was this a correct decision? Was it ibikhona nenye indlela engcono mhlambe bengayithatha ngayo le decision, namanye implementation yawo ngiyimplemente kahle le noma lokhuzana. ngibuka amanye ama-challenges akhona okufanele ngithathe iy'nqumo ngawo the following day, ngingawenza kanjani. I spend time and to me that is a quiet time. Where ngingaphazanyiswa yilutho engisuke ngihleli khona and ngidlala ifilimu ekhanda. I value that time. I value that time ngoba siyakwazi ukungenza ngidlale the whole day, revise the whole day, possibly the week and so on and so on, and ngiphume nama decisions. That's why ngiye advise abaphathi because we have got different nabantu abasiphethe nabaphethe kwezinye indawo uyawuthola ukuthi banama attitudes ahlukene, banama habits ahlukene. It's good umphathi uthatha decision manje, but it's dangerous in most cases. When I come to you, I come with a serious challenge. Kuyingozi ukuthi I know, okay, this is the local that uyothola ukuthi 6 or 7 out of 10 decisions owathatha njalo are wrong. But not, no, it's fine, I'll come back to you. Now you give yourself this time, you internalize a lento, digest a lento, correct in, ngaysolve kanjani lento, ngayilokuza kanjani, no, i-right lento, then you look at that. Mayengekho right, mhlawumbe ngicela ukuthi uyolungisa ukuthi nokuthi kuze ngilokuza. Then you are able ukuthatha ama decisions are correct. Kune saying ke engijwayele nengibusayo eyayithi I don't do something I will not have answers for. So whatever I do, I must have answers. Mangathi umuntu uyambuza ukwenzeleni ukuthi I must have answers and ngikwenze because of 1, 2, 3. They might not be the best answers, but at least they were enough to convince me ukuthi ngikwenze. If I can't answer that question, then it means there's something wrong with the decisions we made.
Sike saba ne debate sihleli nathi sidlalele nje singabafana. Sibangani ukuthi wonke umuntu unayo i-potential. Kuukuthi ama opportunity angekho. So akekho umuntu kwaze kwafika kuleli lokuthi sizithi hayi thina sasivumelana nalo ukuthi hayi phela ngikuthiwa wonke umuntu uzale mbethe. Khona usuku ukufumbethe mawuzayo. Thina inkinga esinayo ama opportunities. Our distributeki ngokulingana.
Yes.
And futhi lokho it's real. Ngiyasize sikubalekele lokho ukuthi ama opportunity as much as ni talented, ninalo talent. Mhlawumbe kuba bathathu abantu abakwazi ukuphumelela out of 7. So kodwa wonke umuntu unayo potential. Sikuvuselela kanjani lokho kubantu ukuthi bazi ukuthi banawo ama potential even though ama opportunities engeke eze efana. Kodwa ukuvuselela lokho ukuthi nawe khona ukuphethe. Hayi ukuthi uphethe ukuthi ungazi ukuthi hayi izinto zombomvu lezo thina ngesilungu. Uma ungakwazi ukwenza lokho khona nawe okufumbethe. Sikuvuselela kanjani leyo nhlansi lesithi nje ukuyivuselela umuntu?
No, I like the saying oyishoyo yokuthi wonke umuntu uzalwa efumbethe something. That one cannot be more true. The biggest task in life is to identify or find out what yini lefumbethe. Because uma ngizobuka umbomvu ufumbethele industry bese nami ngicabanga ukuthi kufanele ngixhume ngihlale kuyona ngithi ngiyangena ingishaya inginothe engibhekise phezulu bese ngithi mina vele mina ngina potential izinto zombomvu lezi. Now it's because I did not try to find out what is it that is mine. that can make me shine and achieve something? What is it that I'm strong in? Ezongenza ngikwazi ukuthi mangenza yona I become myself. I will make an example. Ugamede ngifika la ngafika esebenza engaqashiwe. Kodwa sebenza ndoda lena mangidola kwakusaholwa ke ngama-checks nalezo khathi mase uthi yaholwa alekishe kulale ndoda leyo. Ngiyabona naselistini abantu abasebenzayo aligama lale ndoda. Hayibo wena ndoda wenze njani wena? Hayi asisho isitory sakhe ukuthi wenzani becabanga ukuthi uqashiwe and so on. Ngenhlathi uNkulunkulu emuhle kube khona ngisho uhambayo gcine ngikwazi le ukumfaka khona. Fast forward sengihamba sekufanele athathe i-leadership position naye up to a certain wagcina sewu-principal naye. Now wayengikhonzeke ngale ndlela ukuthi he wanted to do exactly ngayo yonke indlela into engangiyenza because he was happy with my leadership style, I would say. Ancancane you'll phone me manje ukuthi lenze njani hayi manje ancancane ukuthi ufuna njani. Then I told him that no, Mr. Kamen, you must not try to be me because you'll be very weak when you try to be me. You are more stronger when you are yourself. In other sense, take what you think is good in me, but it must add up when your real self. Develop your own leadership style, and mhlambe ke intweni obuya appreciate engizenzayo, you can add to those, then that will make you more strong. But you are more stronger ugamenda. Coming back here to the question, your potential. Wonke umuntu une-potential. Khona into strong kuyo. Khona into strong kuyo. Thola ukuthi strong kuphi and excel. Because we will have people abazokusupporta kule nto yakho. Kodwa bazobazi ukuthi basupporta wena ngoba strong. Then you will succeed. Ulokuzana. Yeah. Kodwa uma uzosukela into owiki kuyo ngoba ubone umbomvu successful kuyo akusiyona into yakho, into kaMbomvu. Nomhlambe you'll be strong uma usupport umbomvu ashine umbomvu, kodwa umbomvu naye mayengakusupport entweni ostrong kuyo uzoshayina nawe kuleyo nto leyo because ingeyakho. Wena wazalwa nayo kuphela, identify it and develop it. So the problem enkulu yokuthi we don't spend time in identifying our strong points, our gifts, our potential. We don't sifuna ukwenza into basibona usibani esenza bese awuna kuna success wenza uba uyaphumelela uthi siye khona na uyakhona entweni ongathi. I'll make one example. I'm not a business person. Nje I tried it, I failed because it's not in me. Mine is managing people. I like managing people. I like managing institutions. I like developing people. I like seeing people. Give me that is the best satisfaction with no. I achieve. You put any manager here, ngohlala nayo nami ngibe manager ngizizwe ukuthi no. I coach now, I'm a managerial skills nani. It's fine, but I rank among one of the best managers because that is my strongest point.
Yes.
That is my strong point. Or are you? What? Hey, I'm umbomvu. Hey, ususi business elinzima kabi. usenemali enkulu engaka usenokuthi unokuthi lokhuzana. That is Mbomvu, i-gift yakhe, i-potential yakhe. That's where he's strong. So umsupporta entweni elokhuzana. Mbomvu, what are you selling in your business? We can buy from you. We can do this. We are supporting you. It's your thing. It's not in me. Mangizothi ngisukela lo mina my life and my satisfaction into elokhuzi ego yami ukubona somebody engimsuse lapha ngambone selapha yana. Then I'm happy. Ngisuse somebody ngifika institution better ngiqoqe iphile ibe lokhuzana. Then I get satisfaction. That's me in lokhuzana. So, and out of that, opportunities open up from left and right. Nakho ngeke uthande ukuzolokhuzana uzosebenza lana. I'll tell you something mhlawumbe ongayazi, but I always thank God ngayo yokuthi in all institutions engangasebenza kuwo from nqala ukusebenza up to now, ayike ngake ngayisukela nje ngathi angifake application ufuna ukusebenza lapha yani. Onke ngakubalela inqwaba. I've been always approached. Nokuthi ngeke uthanda ukuzosebenza lana. Uthanda usicela ukufaka i-application yakho. Bese ngiyifaka. Ngifike ngibe successful. Nyawo lokhuzana angeke uthande sasicela uzosebenza nathi ngapha. No, I will consider. Lokhuzana it's fine, I can do. Fake application. Wonke. It's because my strength is in man management. It's lokhuzana. So ke ilapho nje lele lapho Mbovu akekho umuntu as a Christian ke ngiyangikholelwe incwadi kaJeremiah ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi mayidala umuntu umdala with a good plan. You plan ukuthi succeed. Hayi ukufail. Akekho noyedwa wamdala ukuthi akafail. Wonke umuntu umdalela ukuthi akabe successful. So ukuze ube successful ke cinga ukuthi yini le uNkulunkulu plan yakhe ayidalile ithini, ithi uzohamba yini into le ezokwenza lokhuza. We have nations in the world la abantu abangasebenzi khona who are all doing business ngendlela ehlukile. They are realizing their potential is ngendlela elokhuzile. Basupportana ukuthi lona owenza lokhu kusupportwa yena, lo provider lokhu kusupportwa yena, lo provider lokhu kusupportwa yena. That's how it should. But now ngoba sina lento yokuthi sifuna ukulethelwa, sina lento yokuthi vele thina siyahluphekela, sina lento yokuthi vele thina sazalwa endaweni eziphuwa. Zizigqibe this potential enkulu onayo of becoming something eyokwenelisa nengakwenza uphile ngayo. So it's a question of identifying what is it that I'm good at and pursue that.
Mina ngihlale ekhala ke ngokuthi abantu abathanda ukusebenza kanzima. Bafisa ukuthi isikhathi esiningi benze ama-excuses instead of ukuthi beyiphushe bona besebenze kanzima, ngoba ngasonke isikhathi ukusebenza kanzima ikhona okukhokhayo. Omunye ugcina ngokukhuluma kanje ukuthi I had the pace, kodwa manje mase kufanele ekwenze usezokwenza ama-excuses. Singabantu abathanda ukwenza ama-excuses kakhulu. Ngeke ngize ngikhulumele ezinye izizwe ngoba angizazi. Mina ngumuntu kakhulukazi amaZulu. AmaZulu bayakwazi ukuthi bedlule isihlahla siwile.
Yes.
And then blame umasipala.
Exactly.
So ngikulelo point ukuthi abathandi ukusebenza kanzima. Kodwa ke engifisa ukwazi, if you also you're on your deathbed, yiphi ilesson ongashiya naye ukuthi hayi bafethu ngoba nisala nje la emhlabeni ngicela ukungishiya nalesi.
Okay. Mhlambe angiqale kule comment okay. Before coming to that very last question. You are very true. Abantu bathanda ama-benefits. They don't want to create benefits. They just want to receive them.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Abazi ukuthi fanele babe ingxenye yokucreate ama-benefits. Thina sikhule ku-necessity ukuthi you create your own luck. Sithanda nje ngathi singaba nemali kodwa sifuna ukuyisebenza. It's very unfortunate. Isingene kakhulu kulento. It will take each individual ukuthi izibone ukuthi yini konje engayenza ukusikhipha kulolu taku le poverty enkulu. Sakhula sazi ukuthi fanele sisebenze, sangakhula sazi ukuthi sifanele sicreate umsebenzi. Now ma ungawuthola umsebenzi ubona ngazi ukuthi ulahlile, kanti kunezinto eziningi ongayi-creator zigcine zidala umsebenzi. Manje ungakwazi ukubona ukuthi ukudi kuphi. Njengoba ngisho kwi-function ebesikuyo last night, khona umfana nabazikini noSomahlaya. There was one boy nje, just an ordinary boy, also Mahlaya, and he was there on a good paycheck. Wazosihlekisa nje. Wazosihlekisa. Imagine mangaka abantu abahlekisayo masihlalele, but they don't see that as the potential or money making thing. Bazofanele basihlekise nje mahala. Now that boy uphume with his fat check, ehlekisa wonke umuntu ekhona nje ayixoxele noma yini ordinary lokhuzana, and that thina zazi ukuthi kuze ukwazi ukuyolokhuzana ukuyosebenza kanzima sofanele uqashwe uthole umsebenzi and so on. You don't think ukuthi no, lokho engikude kukho, how can it make it me ngishayine kukho? Njoba ngisho ukuthi you have a lot of actors that you can abangakwazi ukuthi bagcine bephila ngoku-actor kwabo. Overall, these people are very good at acting, kodwa manje ababoni bona ukuthi industry le abangaphila ngayo, balindele somebody from somewhere yolokhu
sa. Okunye okufike kulimaze kakhulu ukuthi I've worked with actors and actresses. Ngoba ngimile kuleli lokuthi abantu abafuna ukusebenza kanzima.
Yes.
Uyasebenza nabantu but abayisebenzi icraft yabo le ababhizi kuyona. Uthola ukuthi njengaye nje i-comedian le. Kufanele usebenze ulandele ukuthi kwenzakalani and uqhamuke with new jokes.
Exactly.
Yizona izinto ke thina esibalekelayo ke lezi, uthola ukuthi sigcina ngempela uthola ukuthi omunye umuntu umdlali webhola uyambona ukuthi uyadlala lo. Inkinga afanele kujima. So silekhe intweni eziningi and siyawathanda nama hands out and okunye esingafuni uku-understand njengamanje. Khona ipoint esanda ukulisho lokuthi sikhule kufanele sihambe siyosebenza.
Yeah.
Kodwa manje sekufanele sicreate umsebenzi. Asifuni uku-accepta lokho. Ukuthi ukuhlala njalo siblame uhulumeni ukuthi imisebenzi ayikho. Lokho ngeke kusize ngoba abantu mangaka ama-graduates aphumayo njalo ngonyaka. If bonke labo bantu babephuma befuna umsebenzi, uzo-create kanjani? Akube khona abantu abawu-create-ayo umsebenzi.
Exactly. Yeah. Coming back to your last question there, oyibuzile, ngizobuyela kwi-introduction yami earlier on ukuthi I'm a firm believer in God's power. Now, uma kuna last thing engayisho before I die, ukuthi wonke umuntu akakazama ukuthi athembe uNkulunkulu kwimpilo yakhe, ukuthi uNkulunkulu can and will assist him or her ukuthi achieve into afuna ukuyenza in life. Kimina, believing in God is everything. It's everything. Njoba ngisho ukuthi mhlamba abanye abantu abaningi bathatha ukuthi believing in God means being a Christian or a strong Christian. No. Kimina, believing in the power of God, it means wherever I go, whatever I do, nginokuthi uNkulunkulu nami uzongenza ngiphumelele. Leyo nto mbomvu uyazi angazi noma uyikhumbula le incident eyake yenzeka esikoleni esipho zonke. I think wakuna lama functions la phela konyaka. Yeah, well, award something, yes. And there was a guest speaker khona umfana wayebhize kwaza abantu phandle lapha elokhuzeni ya bafana bekwazana lapha. I got phakathi kwabo wayimile ngibalokhuzana ngena ngaphethe mese bephethe omese ngangena khona because I had this belief yokuthi uNkulunkulu ethe ngizoba principal kulesi sikole angeke anikele ngami ukuthi ngizofa khona. So I stop whatever thing elokhuzana and ngaba lamla ngashamba bhekisa lena and so on yakwazi ukuthi leyo nto iphele basinde. Uma ukhumbula makuthiwa kunesiteleka noma sake senze kukhona alinqwaba lapha nalokhuzana kutholokhuzana mangiphuma ngiqonde ngqo kuso ngiyothi ngifuna ke top 5 sikhethane bazolokhuzana ngisho lo mina angathumeli ngisho lo mina khona igaga abafana ezazingezwe njengazo ukuthi ibhema insango noma kanjani.
Ngiyabakhumbula sengisoma kushamadama ngiyakhumbula sasikhona.
But they will listen and they will come back ngizoxoxa nabo officeini ngilokhuzana. The idea kwakuyilento ye belief enginayo yokuthi wherever I go, wherever I do, there's God with me. He will make me succeed. Now, kunoma yiphiki, be it sports, be it umsebenzi, be it family, be it whatever, I don't say challenges don't come. They come and they will continue to come. Kodwa nginale belief yokuthi uma nginoNkulunkulu I will succeed. So leyo nto ke ngayifisela ukuthi wonke umuntu uma engareacha leso stage so ukuthi noma yipi undertaking ayithathayo noma yipi initiative aqhamuka nayo azi ukuthi nje uNkulunkulu yena otshalele idea ukuthi angenze this beautiful thing na kanjani won't make me fail. Zoba khona inkinga, zoba khona ama challenges ahlobo luni, kodwa egcineni ngizophumelela ngoba ipower yakhe is above everything. So that is the last thing I can say before ngilale.
I think sizodinga episode 2 ngoba you've just reminded me ngendaba yasesikoleni. Awufika ngesikoleni kukuhle. wafika kunzima ngempela ngoba nathi sasifika singobhosho sahlala lapha emakhoneni ngiyabakhumbula and okunye engikukhumbulayo ukuthi ngeke ngimention igama la nathatha abantu ababehlupha angazi kokudlala ama games nabathatha nabafaka kuma leadership roles
yes
kuyibona abasebesitshela ukuthi kuhanjwe kanjani sebememthandazweni angicabanga kwaba iskill leso ngoba ukuthi ngeke ngibasho kodwa kodwa ngiyakhumbula ezekhathi ukuthi kwagcina abantu esasibazi ukuthi bayahlupha sekuyibona asebehamba phambili ezintweni zesikole
building the profile yabo.
Yes.
Yeah, because as us build I profile yabo sishintsha this mindset yokuthi baziwa ukuthi zigebengu abantu abanjani. Now we put irresponsibility born. And once umuntu wazi ukuthi responsible, fanele abonakale responsible, will try his or her best to behave responsibly. Ukuze anga disappoint le trust. Yabona unikeza umuntu trust ongayideserve inhlobo. Kodwa uvela umethembe. Ngikhathi umethembe akazokuphoqa. That's why we
ngoba iskill siyazi ngekhumbula kanjani ngoba iskill leso. Lastly, ngeke thisha omkhulu ngidedele ngingakubuzanga nombuzo. Umele ukuthini TV?
Yazi elinye igama amagama ami lawo. Amagama ami elinye aliqanjwa umama elinye ngayiqamba mina. Umama wangiqamba igama elithi Themba. Ngoba nganginguthemba lakhe. Now I happen to I'm the only child to mama izala. So ngase ngibana lento ukuthi yazi ngifuna ukuvusa umuzi kamama. Then ngagcina sengizetha ukuthi ngovusa umuzi. So TV stands for Themba Vusa Umuzi Mkhize, and I tried to live into those names. Ukuthi mama angithembe to such an extent ukuthi much as ngangiganga ngikhula ngizufana but ekhaya ngangithembeke ngendlela eyisimangaliso phambi kamama because I did not want to disappoint umama. Two, nalento ukuthi izingane ezelwe ngazodwa emakhaya kunale element ejwayele ukuthi sigcine zizigebengu noma zihlupha ziwo spoiled child and so on. So ngiyafisa ukuvusa umuzi kamama. And God blessed me. Ngawuvusa umuzi kamama wesiphila.
Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ukwazi ukusipintshisa kwi-schedule yakhe busy kodwa ukwazi ukuthi usikhandele isikhathi. It's an honor to us. Kuningi engikufundile ngicabanga ukuthi nabantu kuningi abazokufunda. Hopefully sizoba nawo episode 2 ekuhambeni kwesikhathi kodwa siyabonga kakhulu ne-input ekhona ngoba empilweni zethu silapha esikhona nje kungenxa yini. Umsebenzi enawenza ezipho zonke ukusigruma ukusikhanda ukuthi sibe amadoda. Ngesinye isikhathi ukubona sengathi uyahlushwa. Selilindwe lapha yabo nje ngikhumbula into eyenzeka sifike late siqhamuka nje sihamba khona nosakhile nokhetha ngomani siyahamba mase dundu ithishigamete sekhona egate uma sithi kancane bese thishigamete amantombazane aye phambili nje kwethu bese ayangenisa sibone sihambe kahle ke nathi kanti uzoba neqhale nathi so leyo discipline leyo ukuthi ulate kodwa manje ufuna ukurelaxa.
Yes.
So izinto ezinjalo uyithatha sengathi uyahlupheka njengamanje ngithema ngiqala into enjenge podcast igama lakho Khabazela lafi yaqala njengomuntu engazi ukuthi indima owayedlala empilweni yami inkulu kakhulu. Kuningi abantu esingathi masixoxa bese bekufunda ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngake ngifike e-office sifike ngihlale sifike sixoxe ngithi le ndoda ngizwe njengamanje ziyabuya lezo zinto ezazenzeka and kwi assembly ukube sonke sasilalela ngabe kuningi sasikuthola manje kusuke sisezingane
Yes.
amazwi owakhuluma kwi-assembly ayibaluleke kakhulu wawusikhanda njalo uma uthathe lelo thuba lokuthi ube kwi-assembly. So lezo zinto zonke uma usuqala usukhula ziyabuya ukuthi ish yazi umuntu lezi zinto mhlawumbe kube wayi-implementa ezayikhulumela lapho njengamanje sengisikhanda i-opportunity ukuthi nabasilandelayo ke.
Yes.
Ingakho nje ngishela ukuthi nondodakazi abahlale la khona ezozo ngoba I know ukuthi into ozoyikhuluma izosikhanda. Siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho.
No, kubonga mina Mbovu. Must be honest. I take it as an honor myself ukuthi mawucabanga something this beautiful. Consider and don't consider early. Njengoba ngishilo, there's a lot engicabanga ukuthi umuntu has done contribution kubantu abaningi. But I learned ukuthi whatever you do ungalindeli ukubongwa abantu. Siyasithi uNkulunkulu akakweletani. If you have done good, God will compensate you in one way or another. You are doing good, God will compensate you in one way or another. Ubona nje indlela yakhe compensatana nayo. We really appreciate this time. That's why ngibusy kakhulu. But I made it a point that no, I'll have to honor this one ngoba umuntu ekwazi ukuhlala phansi acabange after so many years acabanga ukuthi I somebody who can assist or say something mhlambe engalekelela towards the program. Baba Mkhize, I appreciate that kakhulu. I know there are so many people abasazoqhamuka nabasawuba ingxenye yeprogram kodwa nje ukuthi ibe abanye baqala. I really appreciate that and uNkulunkulu usise umndeni wakho nakho konke vision yokwakha nation umncane. Yeah,
Thank you very much.